Welcome to Glenelg Beach. It is Adelaide's most popular city beach, offering a buzzing vibe and great atmosphere for all to enjoy. Renowned for its wide beach, stunning sunsets, rich heritage, and bustling shops, sidewalk cafes, and loads of entertainment. Take a dip, stroll the jetty, grab a bite to eat, and watch the sunset over the ocean. No trip to the beach is complete without an ice cream or gelati or two, and you'll find plenty of opportunities to treat yourself at Glenelg. The Glenelg Foreshore Playground and Moses Square are hives of activity throughout the warmer months, offering a huge range of family-friendly entertainment and sporting activities. So it's our turn. There we go.
Yep.
Alright guys, this is our second round ng paakyat. Not bad at all. Ang ganda ng patanawin dun guys. Dito sa right side ko yan ang tanawin, yung town hall nila, yun dyan guys, oh, yung parang church. Sa left side namin guys ay ang ano naman, ay ang beach. How beautiful. Alright, mukhang nasa nakahinto kami.
Oh, right at the top.
Na hindi pala. Umaandar pa pala. Nice location, really. It's beautiful. Yan ang kanilang town hall.
Ayan.
Ayan. Okay, we had our second one. So this is our third one.
I don't want to push my beliefs that the earth is round.
Kakatapos lang guys ang aming Ferris wheel ride at kami ay pabalik na sa aming hotel. At ang train guys ay malapit lang dito. So sana guys ay nagustuhan niyo ang aking video at abangan ang mga susunod kong mga videos dito sa aking channel. Maraming salamat!